Hi guys, if you are facing the issue for the Mega file sharing site, then please see this video. Your issue will be resolved. Mega.nz. Here, when I try to load, this error will appear, and sometimes different error appear in different browsers. So how to resolve this issue? Okay. The Mega is saying please reload, but again reloading the same error is appear. To resolve this issue, you have to put the Google DNS in your adapter settings. So here is the IP address is 8.8 for the Google. So how I will put these addresses? So here, change adapter setting. Here is the your virus correction. Here is my wireless connection, MNS house, and here is the MNS house. Here I am changing the properties. Here Internet Protocol version 4. Double click. Here you have to put the DNS setting. Here is 8888 under 8844. Okay, please putting these values, press OK. Okay. Okay. Now close this site and put Mega.nz again. Okay, now you are saying the issue is resolved. Now you can download or upload things from the Mega site. So that's all. Have a nice day.